topic is about explaining energy transformation and various activities and events. Let's begin. Recall that energy is the capacity to do work. The energy of the man enables him to push the car to the right. We also knew that as work is being done, energy is neither created nor destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another. Let's discuss some activities involving energy transformation. Let us first discuss the energy transformation in waterfalls. Water from the top of the mountain has gravitational potential energy. Recall that gravitational potential energy is the energy of the body with respect to its position above the ground. As the water falls from the edge due to gravity, its velocity increases. The gravitational potential energy of the water now becomes kinetic energy. Kinetic energy increases as the water moves downward while gravitational potential energy decreases. Now let us discuss energy transformation in archery. When you stretch the string of a bow, it stores elastic potential energy. Elastic potential energy is the energy stored in elastic objects like spring. This energy of the string can do work on the arrow. When the string is released, its stored elastic potential energy is now converted to kinetic energy to launch the arrow. This kinetic energy of the string which released the arrow is now transferred to the arrow moving in the air. After waterfalls and archery, it is time to know the energy transformation involved in a roller coaster. The roller coaster ride involves a series of energy transformation between kinetic and gravitational potential energy. The roller coaster ride begins with lifting up the car on a hill through a mechanical device. At the initial position of the car, the kinetic energy is almost equal to the gravitational potential energy. As the car goes up, its kinetic energy is starting to become potential energy, hence, gravitational potential energy increases while kinetic energy decreases. When the car reached the maximum height, almost the entire kinetic energy is converted to gravitational potential energy, hence, gravitational potential energy is maximum while its kinetic energy is zero. From the highest position, the car goes down where it gains velocity. Its gravitational potential energy is starting to become kinetic energy, hence, potential energy decreases, while kinetic energy increases. The car then goes to a series of loops. Every time the car goes up, the gravitational potential energy increases while the kinetic energy decreases. On the other hand, when the car goes down, the kinetic energy increases while the gravitational potential energy decreases. At the lowest point, kinetic energy is maximum while the gravitational potential energy is zero. Here is the energy transformation in a roller coaster. In summary, we have learned that energy can be transformed from one form to another. The energy transformation in various activities is recorded in the table above. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you.